Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for watching another vlog. I do feel like I need to explain some things. First of all, it's gonna go from portrait to landscape so you can see everything. So sorry about that. But in this video, I do spend some time with my family. I tried not to show faces, so if you happen to stare at the ground or a lot of plants, there is a reason behind that. But just keep watching, and I hope you enjoy my vlog. Good morning, everybody. This is Nora reporting live from our house. It is, sorry, there was a bug. It's actually Thursday today. I didn't vlog yesterday because I ended up working the whole day. And plus, we didn't feel like going out. The weather was bad, it was rainy, all of that. So right now we are going back to the village where my mom was born. We're gonna pick her up because she ended up staying there. She did all the gift giving and then she ended up cooking and stuff. And it was way too late to pick her up. And plus with all the rain and the mud, it would have been a dangerous situation. So we ended up just staying home, like I said. So we're gonna go there. I don't know if we're gonna go out today because I have a couple of work meetings, but if we do, I'll take you guys with me. If not, I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys. Okay, so before I proceed, I do want to say that the rest of the vlog we will be speaking in Twi. So with my limited knowledge of my language, I did my very best to interpret. So if anything's a little off, just go along with it. There's some words or some phrases that I didn't even hear or understand, but feel free to let me know what is the correct spelling or what is the correct word for it, because I'm always willing to learn more Twi whenever I can. So I'm gonna shut up now and you guys enjoy. So we are here at oh yeah, Meba. All right, sorry. Okay, so we are here in the village where my mom grew up. This is the home back here, and they're showing us all of the things that they grow at the house, because they grow everything that they eat, very organic. So we're just going around and my mom is showing us all of the trees. Okay, cassava tree.
Cassava tree and plantain tree. Yeah, plantain tree. Plantain, if you go on our small one. Pineapple.
And the way it is.
And then so your cocoyam, cocoyam the same. Cocoyam, Amy. Cocoyam.
Okay.
You were big, way they're small.
Way is small. Okay.
And way so near, you know, Spanish.
Spinach. Okay.
And I went so near. The friend is same. Green beans, you know. I found a bedroom.
And your peas. Yeah.
I'm into any tree. The tree, anyway, when she a friend, I will, but then they can't almost. Yeah, I bedroom. Nana kwana de bi ban. Peace in ketua. Okotiti ase netie. We edi yenkwan ya. Ene kan na ba mi di bia yenkwan no. Ene fe na de kro. Ene yi no. Eyi. Friend say. Na bo go di say we friend adwe.
Come now.
Yeah. Akwasi kwa kwala ni uni anu ni. Uni anu ni. Uni anu.
So this is a mango tree. This is a mango tree that their neighbor is growing.
Coconut tree.
Oh, here. And then this is the, yikes. This is the coconut tree that they're growing over here as well. No way it is. This is normal tree. Avocado. All right, so we're gonna go find the avocado tree. No, I don't. What is that? Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fresh mango.
Blobe. That no more friend. Minim na yi.
English.
Blobe.
No way it is.
Where so yeah. Where ya dia ya? When dey dua, but just dua.
Just a tree.
And where so yeah. Garden eggs no. Nya adua uni bi wo.
All right, so this is the garden eggs tree. You can only really get these at the farmer's market in Gwinnett. Hey, Ma, you are killing the plants.
Huh? You're killing the plants? Oh, sorry.
Ghana roll. Ma, Ghana will be like this.
Any day.
And if you want Ghana roll.
I'm a tone. I'm a woman. Yes, I'm a cat. Yes, mushroom.
Oh, mushroom. Okay, yeah.
I too not
Oh, okay.
and a uni garden excellent. You tree in
Oh, okay. Yeah, mushroom. Let's go move. Yeah. Heck, we're gonna...
Let's go and show them. And then your friend is saying, papaya. We both friend. If you want this one. This one.
Yes.
If you was one, a crowd was. And what you do a hole. You mean fetch it at home? And I mean, who are you know? Fair. Where?
This one. Cotton tree.
Cotton tree.
It hasn't come yet.
Oh, okay. This is a church, Assemblies of God. Coconuts.
Kube. Kase kube.
Kube.
Kase kube.
Cigarette.
Oh, okay. This is a banana tree. And we're just gonna walk around and take you guys with me. Okay.
Abena ye the trim.
You're trying to say ento.
Ento, yeah.
Ento. Okay.
Abena ye the trim.
Ne palm water.
No oil. Okay. Okay.
I'm a boy. We are here, they walk home, we are the neighbor. Is here no?
I'm a paper no Korea.
Where no?
Soup.
Soup.
Pepe. Ghana have friend is much. Same.
Yeah.
It is small behind.
Okay.
Eat it right now. But this one, the house smell.
Okay. Yeah.
So the movie,
The same beans for our chief.
Yeah.
we use this to make stew.
Okay.
And salt.
Salt.
This one too for stew.
And your rosemary.
Rosemary.
Yeah.
Egg on.
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, yeah.
60%.
What did you say? Minto young. So tell me, but I say,
And sour.
Okay.
For soup. For okra stew.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Then natural. This is
Natural.
Yeah. Natural stone. Yeah.
Okay.
Why don't you know how you will be on them two bone the baking powder and the natural
Are they?
because you know.
Why are they?
Natural baking
What
powder.
is it? Namapon.
Kedru.
Yeah. Okay. These are all of the candies.